Quantum transition brings with it a huge number of rapid changes. And change is not something to be feared, but something to be embraced. You need to participate in it, accomplish it, live it. You need to enjoy change, enjoy everything that happens, rejoice in the change. Learn to rejoice in the change, then only joyful changes will come into your life. And even if something not entirely joyful comes with the change, know that it is a lesson that life is teaching you. It is the language of God who tells you, no, 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 you went the wrong way. You are doing the wrong thing. You are thinking the wrong thing. That is not how you should behave in this world, even though you think you are spiritually developing and spiritually growing. Yes, my friends, it is like a slap on the wrist. Problems, that's what the slap is. That gives a person the opportunity to stop and think. How am I living? Why is this happening to me? And when a person finds the answer to why and accepts this problem, the problem immediately resolves itself. Problems need to be loved and even welcomed when they come, because they make you stronger, they make you more resilient, they make you wiser. Yes, you develop thanks to your problems. And then the time comes when you can very easily solve them and reach such a standard of living where these problems will no longer exist. That's wonderful. So thanks to your problems, you will become better, greater, stronger. You will become more robust. By preserving the strength of energy, the power of light, the power of energy, you cannot be influenced or affected. And even if some program does come out from inside the subconscious, then this program will be weak. The power of light and the power of your awareness will neutralize it, transform it into light, and you will remain internally calm, fulfilled, and balanced. The quantum transition affects everyone. Everyone who believes in it, who does not believe, everyone emanates. You are emitters, as I often tell you, and you radiate what you feel inside. And thanks to the quantum leap, the transition, thanks to the new unit of measurement, time, which faster and faster recreates our feelings and our thoughts, each of you changes this world. You each contribute your own part with your work, your attitude, your understanding of life, your attitude towards other people, your state of unity or disunity. Each of you contributes in your own way. Don't be afraid of anything. Don't be afraid of those people who are destructive right now at this moment of our lives. Be the way you should be, and they will follow your lead. We will save this world. We are already doing everything we can to save this world, and we are saving it. We will continue to do so as long as we are destined to live in this world. Our work and our task will consist solely in this. We will only do this for humanity. I know it will be better, and I know the planet will overcome these difficulties. I know that evil will destroy itself. With its own hands, it destroys itself. And together, we, spiritually developed people, will live well, happily, and long.